If you're injured in an accident in Stockton, you want to make sure you go to the right hospital. Typically, for minor injuries, whichever hospital is closest is the best choice. This is likely either St. Joseph's Medical Center or Adventist Health Demerun near downtown Stockton. However, the severity of your injury should also be considered. If you have a traumatic injury, you may be taken to San Joaquin General Hospital. Traumatic injuries are usually life-threatening and can require immediate care. San Joaquin General Hospital offers a Level 2 trauma center to help patients with severe injuries. A trauma center is a step above an emergency room and features a 24/7 staff of specialized surgeons and the most modern equipment to help patients recover. In some extreme cases, Stockton car accident victims may be flown by helicopter to one of the Bay Area's Level 1 trauma centers. At Mason Law, we stand by you after you've been hurt in a car collision. We handle your accident claim from start to finish so you can focus on healing. We offer free consultations to all Stockton victims. Contact us today to discuss your legal options.